How to set up direct deposit with USAA Bank. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step. So you can open up the USAA mobile application or visit the website and first of all log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you need your USAA routing number and your account number, and you can easily find that both under the application under account details. And then once you do so, you can basically tap on products, banking, and learn about checking. And then you can get paid early section. Look out for that section. And then select the link for direct deposit. And once you do so, you can request the form. It will be sent to your online documents. If you can't find it, customer service can help. USAA provides printable forms. You can just go ahead and fill it up and you can upload that via the Apple website or mail, fax it per instructions. And just go ahead and do so and you can just go ahead and verify it like that. So therefore you may follow up these steps if you'd like to direct deposit with USAA Bank. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.